calling all food enthusiasts and lovers of fresh, vibrant flavors. The Quay County Health Council's Healthy Eating Active Living Committee has a treat in store for you. It is time to tantalize your taste buds and elevate your cooking skills with their collection of delectable recipes using farmers market produce. Join us at the farmers market, where our table awaits you with a mouth-watering tasting experience. We will be there several times throughout the season, ensuring you have ample opportunities to discover new culinary delights. But that's not all. We're also taking over the digital world, bringing you our recipe videos straight to your screens. Catch us on YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram at Quay County Health for a virtual cooking adventure like no other.